What happened, Eyes? What are you doing over here? Huh? What happened?
It's windy.
It's windy? So what is windy? What are you doing on the stairs? Hmm?
It's your time.
What?
Sleep.
What? Look at me. You got scared?
Scared.
You scared?
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
I'm scared of
Rain?
the rain.
Where's the rain?
It's raining outside.
Raining outside? Can you show me? Where? Show me where.
Where's the baby?
Baby sleeping. Where are you going? What happened? You scared? You scared? Eyes. Look at me. Eyes. You're a big boy now. No need.
Time.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. What happened?
Sleep time.
Why sleep time?
Sleep time.
Look at me. Come to daddy. Come to daddy here.
Sleep time.
Okay, no need to scare. It's just lightning. That's it. Come. iPad. I give you iPad. You want iPad?
Sleep time.
You want iPad? Come, I give you iPad. iPad? What happened?
Sleep time.
No, it's not sleep time. It's day outside. Come here. Eyes? You scared? Scared of lightning and thunderstorm?
I'm sorry.
Come, I give you iPad. You want to play iPad? Come, I give you. Come on, come on.